Ever thought your living room was inhospitable when the AC breaks down? Try surviving in the most hostile environments Earth has to offer. We're about to venture into the harshest, most brutal places that exist right here on our home planet. From the scorching Death Valley to the venomous Snake Island in Brazil, from the bone-dry Atacama Desert to the deadly Lake Nyos, these are the 12 spots that set the bar for extreme living conditions. So buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Stick around, you're about to embark on a journey to the most inhospitable corners of our planet. First stop, Death Valley, California. More like a giant frying pan, right? This place is a relentless furnace that has claimed the title for the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth. It's not your typical day at the beach, folks. Here, the scorching sun turns the ground into a blistering expanse, void of water and vegetation. Yet, despite the extremes, life persists. Hardy creatures like the resilient kangaroo rat and the tenacious desert tortoise have adapted to the crushing heat and aridity. But for us humans, it's a different story. The lack of water and the relentless heat can prove deadly for the unprepared. Every year, hikers and tourists underestimate the desert's harsh conditions, leading to dangerous and sometimes fatal outcomes. And let's not forget the aptly named Furnace Creek, where summer temperatures can soar to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 Celsius. So, if you ever find yourself longing for a little warmth in the middle of winter, just remember Death Valley. It's a place where the sun doesn't just shine, it blazes with a fiery intensity that's hard to comprehend. Next time you complain about the heat, remember, it could be worse. You could be in Death Valley. Welcome to Rotorua, New Zealand, the geothermal wonder of the world. Residing within a volcanic caldera, the thin Earth's crust here permits heat from molten rock beneath to surface, powering breathtaking phenomena. Journey through landscapes adorned with boiling mud pools, hissing geysers and hot springs, all demonstrating the planet's raw power. The unique sulfuric Rotorua perfume is a constant reminder of the inherent volcanic forces. But Rotorua is more than geothermal marvels. It's a thriving hub Maori culture, making this city a must-visit for the adventurous. Remember, Rotorua embodies the captivating blend of beauty and danger. Welcome to Mono Lake, California. This ancient saline body of water is no ordinary lake. With a pH level that often reaches 10, it's about as alkaline as household ammonia. But don't let that deter you. Mono Lake is a marvel of Mother Nature's resilience. This lake's unique ecosystem boasts a hardy population of brine shrimp and alkali flies that have adapted to thrive in the harsh, salty waters. These tiny creatures form the basis of a food chain that supports hundreds of thousands of migratory and nesting birds. And it doesn't stop there. The lake's surface is dotted with tufa towers, unusual limestone formations that rise from the water and add to the lake's otherworldly ambiance. These towers are formed by the interaction of the lake's alkaline waters, with freshwater springs rich in calcium. Life in Mono Lake is not for the faint of heart. The extreme conditions here pose a significant challenge to survival. But despite the odds, life not only survives, it flourishes, demonstrating the incredible adaptability of nature. Next stop, Waimangu Volcanic Rift Valley, New Zealand. Here, the Earth's cauldron bubbles over, painting an awe-inspiring but deadly tableau. Waimangu is a geothermal wonderland, a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. The landscape is riddled with boiling hot springs, their scalding waters a stark reminder of the molten magma that lies just beneath the surface. It's a place that brings the term walking on thin ice a whole new meaning, only here it's the fiery, not the frosty, that's of concern. These hot springs are not for the faint-hearted, their temperatures often soaring to lethal degrees. They are nature's own kettle, perpetually on the boil, fueled by the Earth's internal furnace. But it's not all doom and gloom. The Waimangu Volcanic Rift Valley is also a place of stark beauty, a testament to the mesmerizing allure of danger. In the end, it's a place that fascinates and frightens in equal measure, a spot where the Earth's fiery core reveals itself. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia, a place so harsh it makes the Sahara look like a beach vacation. Welcome to the cruel cradle of Mother Earth. This extreme landscape is a testament to the planet's fiery heart. a place where temperatures can soar to nearly unbearable heights. Imagine stepping out into a day where the mercury regularly reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 Celsius. It's a heat that's relentless, unforgiving, and utterly inhospitable. But the heat is just the beginning. The air here carries a toxic cocktail of gases: sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. Each breath is a challenge, a defiance against the elements themselves. And water? In this parched landscape, it's a scarce luxury. The Danakil Depression is one of the driest places on Earth, with annual rainfall measuring less than an inch. Yet, despite such extreme conditions, life finds a way. Microorganisms known as extremophiles thrive in the hot springs, a testament to the tenacity of life in the face of adversity. Now for a rapid-fire round of some more deadly places. First up, we have Mount Washington in the United States, known as the home of the world's worst weather. This mountain summit is notorious for its dangerously erratic weather, with hurricane-force winds recorded on over 100 days each year. Next, we head south to Snake Island in Brazil, a place so deadly that it's illegal to visit. This island is home to the golden lancehead viper, one of the most venomous snakes on the planet. The island's nickname? A chilling island of death. From there, we journey to Cameroon to Lake Nyos, a crater lake known for its deadly limnic eruptions. In 1986, a cloud of carbon dioxide gas erupted from the lake, suffocating all life within a 16-mile radius. We then travel to the Middle East and find ourselves at the Dead Sea, the lowest point on Earth's surface. Its hypersaline environment makes it uninhabitable for most life forms. It's so salty you can float on top of the water. Our next stop is the Atacama Desert in Chile, the driest place on Earth. This desert is so arid, some parts haven't seen rainfall in over 400 years. It's so barren, scientists use it as a stand-in for Mars. Lastly, we visit Lake Natron in Tanzania. This alkaline salt lake is so caustic it can calcify animals, preserving them as if they were stone statues. So inhospitable, only a few species can survive here. And finally, the 12th place, an artificial catastrophe, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This disaster, larger than Texas, sits midway between Hawaii and California. It's a lethal trap for unsuspecting marine life, causing chaos in our fragile ocean ecosystems. Sea turtles mistakenly consume plastic bags as jellyfish, and albatrosses feed their chicks with harmful plastic debris. Yet the threat extends beyond marine life. Microplastics from the patch infiltrate our food chain, posing potential health risks for humans. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch serves as a massive, grim reminder of our impact on the planet. We've just taken a ride through some of Earth's harshest environments, from Death Valley's burning sands to the geothermal wonders of Rotorua and the cruel cradle of Danakil Depression. In these extreme locales, we've witnessed the resilience of life, from the bacteria coloring Mono Lake pink to the organisms thriving in Waimangu's heat. These places remind us of two key points. Life, in its diverse forms, is an unstoppable force, and our planet is a precious treasure we are responsible for. We need to respect and protect it so future generations can also marvel at its wonders. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Together, let's continue uncovering the surprises of Earth.